let's take a look at the assign directive. Okay, so the assign directive can be used to define numeric constants like the equal directive. Okay, so this directive allows a redefinition. For example, you may define the constant total as in this picture here. So as you can see, we use the assign directive. Okay, so don't forget the percentage. Okay, at the start. Okay, percentage assign, then our total. So this variable is called total. Okay, and we are assigning it to 10 like that. Okay, so later in the code, you can redefine it as like this. Okay, as like this. Okay, so you can redefine it as like this, and you store 20 in it like that. Okay, so from there we can take a look at another part, which is the percentage directive. Okay, or the percentage defined directive. Okay, it's the percentage defined directive. Okay, so we are going to take a look at that.